fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Tandoori chicken. I will be making for you today tandoori chicken. This is so easy, so tasty. You will be amazed.
Is it tandoori chicken?
It is tandoori chicken, exactly. All right, to begin with, as you should probably know by now, I always use skinless and boneless chicken thighs. Here I have 1.5 kilograms worth of the stuff, okay? To begin with, sharp knife, I just want to score the top of each piece. 3 scores per piece, that'll do. All you then have to do is put them in a bowl. And to that, I'm gonna add the juice of 2 lemons. See, I said the juice of 2 lemons.
Yeah, well done.
Okay, and I'm going to give that a quick mix. What the lemon juice does, it tenderises the chicken even more. I have a 500 gram
Tub
of natural yogurt, runny yogurt. Throw that in. There we go. And what I have here is 4 tablespoons tandoori spice mix and 1.5 teaspoons salt. The tandoori spice mix you can normally find in the world food section in big bags in most of your supermarkets.
Any good supermarket.
Exactly, it's pretty easy to find. Throw that in as well. Get it with your hands.
Get in there.
And give the whole thing.
Massage my meat.
Massage it. Get all that mixed in nicely. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to take those lemon husks and just throw them in as well. Because, sorry people, but this needs to marinate overnight, okay? All I have to do is get a plate, cover it, and in the fridge it goes overnight. So I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Goodbye now.
Oh, shut
Goodbye.
up.
So here's the chicken, which has been marinating in the fridge overnight. Look at that. Not that it's changed much, obviously.
No.
Now all we have to do with this is put it on a baking tray. Very easy. Just slap it on. And those lemons I put in, I'm going to put in as well.
Oh.
Just like this.
Why?
So I can squeeze it halfway through cooking.
Oh.
I've got some marinade in here. I'm going to use this in a bit because I'm going to actually coat it again halfway through cooking. All right. So let me just wash my hands.
Wash your hands.
Before I put this in the oven, let's do a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. I don't even have to do the thumbs up myself anymore, do I? It's just amazing.
No,
move your thumb out of the way now.
Oh.
That's it. Any comments, questions, suggestions you have, put them in the comment section below. Okay?
I got a few suggestions.
Yeah, I bet you have. Right, so the oven's preheated at 200 degrees Celsius. This needs to go in the top of the oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, it's had 25 minutes in the oven. Now, all this water is going to be drained now. I'm just going to take this to the sink. Be very careful because it's going to be very hot. That's better, isn't it? Now, there's lemons. See these little lemons that I kept in here?
Uh-huh.
Just squeeze.
The smell.
Just sprinkle that all over. Now, remember this? All that's left is get in with your fingers. Get in with your fingers and just rub it in.
You're good at rubbing it.
Rub it in. Nothing goes to waste here. There we go. Look at that. Right. I will wash my hands and I'm going to put this back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes, okay? So I will see you then.
Bye.
Goodbye. So there you have the chicken, the tandoori chicken. I literally took it out of the oven. See how it's all dry, which is what you want. That's how you want it to be. But when you cut into it, it's going to be nice and succulent. Okay? Now, I'm gonna let that rest for about 5-10 minutes. It's actually nicer when we let it rest for a bit rather than having it when it's really, really hot.
Agreed.
So what I've got here is I've got a head of lettuce, whatever lettuce you like, some tomatoes. I'm gonna put some olive oil on that salad with some salt. I'm going to keep it simple. Salt. Get it with my hands, give it a mix. I've got my nice leafy bowl here. So I will put the lettuce and the tomato mixture in the bottom. I'm going to leave a couple of leaves for the top, I think. See how it looks for decoration. Okay, so that's the lettuce and tomato at the bottom. Now the chicken. I'm going to take the chicken and rest it on top like so. There's your chicken there, and these bits of lettuce I got left, let's just on top. You know what, just for the hell of it, some olive oil on top. Take it in. Tandoori chicken. This goes amazingly well with my Greek tzatziki sauce and my smoked paprika potatoes. Basically, all you need to do with this is you can have it on the plate as a meal, or you take a couple of bits of the tandoori chicken, cut them up with some of the salad, some of the tzatziki in the middle, roll it up, devour it, and you have the potatoes on the side, or shove the potatoes in there as well. You could do whatever you want, it's up to you, but this is just to give you some ideas what to have with it. It is very tasty, very refreshing, and very, very satisfying. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!